Yo, what's up? It's your boy TwixPH, and for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a screenshot without touching volume down and power buttons. First, go here, settings, and then scroll down, find the accessibility, and then here, interaction and dexterity, and then this one. And then just allow. Here you go. As you can see, there is a hidden button. Yeah, this is all the buttons you have. And then if you want to screenshot easily, you can just tap this one, this, and then it will make a screenshot. And then you can also tap this to make a long screenshot. And then the other way is just pull down the drawer and then find here the screenshot, here, this one. Then you can take a screenshot also. And if you don't have a screenshot icon here, you can just go here, this one, edit, and then this one, edit the full. You have top and you have the full. Just edit the full, and then somewhere here is the screenshot, just like this. Yeah, take screenshot. It will be placed like here. Then all you're gonna do is long press and then drag. So that's all. Then after that, click done, and then go back. And then yeah, after you pull down and find the screenshot icon, and here you go, you can now screenshot. Yeah, and that's the two ways of getting your screenshots without touching the volume down and the power buttons. So I hope it helps, and if it helps, please comment, share the video. Maybe it will also help your friends out there. So thank you so much. Subscribe.